Welcome to Infinite Science. Tonight we're uncovering one of the most fascinating and mysterious processes your body performs every single day: sleep. You spend roughly 1/3 of your life asleep, yet most people don't truly understand what's happening during those hours. Sleep is not just rest. It's an active, highly complex biological process that affects your brain, body, memory, emotions, and even your lifespan. Let's break it down step by step. Sleep begins when your brain starts reducing activity in response to signals from your circadian rhythm, the internal clock controlled by light and darkness. As night approaches, your brain releases melatonin, a hormone that makes you feel drowsy. Your body temperature drops slightly, your heart rate slows, and your muscles begin to relax. You enter stage 1 sleep, a light transitional phase. This lasts only a few minutes. Your brain waves begin to slow, shifting from active beta waves to calmer alpha and theta waves. This is why you sometimes feel like you're half asleep and can still wake easily. Next, you enter stage 2 sleep, where your body truly begins to disconnect from the outside world. Your breathing and heart rate stabilize. Your body temperature drops further. Your brain produces sleep spindles, short bursts of activity that help block out external noise and protect your sleep. This stage makes up about 50% of your total sleep. Now your body enters deep sleep, the most physically restorative phase. Your brain waves slow dramatically into delta waves. Your body focuses on repair and recovery. Muscle tissue is rebuilt. Growth hormone is released. Immune system strengthens. Energy stores are replenished. During this stage, it is very difficult to wake up. If you do wake up, you feel groggy and disoriented. This is the stage your body depends on for physical healing. After deep sleep, your brain becomes active again and enters REM, rapid eye movement sleep. This is where dreaming occurs. Your brain activity during REM is almost as high as when you're awake. However, your body is temporarily paralyzed, a state called REMatonia, to prevent you from acting out your dreams. During REM sleep, your brain processes emotions, memories are organized and stored, learning is reinforced, creativity increases, your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids, and your breathing becomes irregular. These stages don't happen just once. Your body cycles through all stages of sleep every 90 minutes, repeating 4-6 times per night. Earlier cycles contain more deep sleep. Later cycles contain more REM sleep. That's why longer sleep improves memory and mental performance, because REM sleep increases in the later hours. One of the most critical functions of sleep is brain cleaning. During sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system, which flushes out toxins that build up during the day. This includes harmful proteins linked to neurological diseases. At the same time, your brain reorganizes information, important memories are strengthened, unnecessary information is removed, skills are refined. Sleep literally reshapes your brain. Sleep controls many of your hormones. Melatonin regulates sleep timing. Cortisol resets for the next day. Leptin and ghrelin control hunger and appetite. Lack of sleep disrupts these hormones, leading to weight gain, stress, and fatigue. When sleep is shortened or disrupted, memory becomes weaker. Reaction time slows, emotional control decreases, immune system weakens. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and depression. During REM sleep, your brain's emotional centers are highly active, while logical reasoning areas are less active. This is why dreams feel intense, vivid, and sometimes irrational. Your brain is essentially simulating experiences to process emotions and memories. As morning approaches, your body reduces melatonin production and increases cortisol. Your brain gradually shifts back into higher frequency activity. Your muscles regain control, your heart rate increases, and you wake up. If you wake up during light sleep, you feel refreshed. If you wake during deep sleep, you feel tired. Sleep is not just a break from reality, it is one of the most important biological processes your body performs. Every night, your brain reorganizes itself, your body repairs damage, and your mind prepares for the next day. Understanding sleep means understanding how to improve your health, your focus, and your life. If you found this deep dive helpful, subscribe to Infinite Science for more powerful insights into how your body and mind truly work. And remember, what happens when you sleep shapes everything when you wake.